Yes.
So, graphs of functions is the
Sir.
topic.
Sir.
Graphs of functions, and mainly we will deal with the transformations of graphs when we apply modulus over functions, when we change sign of the function, when we apply modulus only on x inside the function, and many
Sir.
things. Okay, so y is equal to 2x plus 3 is also a function. At first we want to draw y equal to 2x, so we will use y equal to x. Okay,
Yes.
so y is equal to mx plus c is the equation of straight line.
Straight line.
Here the value of m was 1, and now you are putting the value of m equal to 2, y is equal to 2x, so the slope
Yes.
is increased. So this is the reference line. This is for y equal to x. We will just raise this line upward and do like this. So this will be our y equal to 2x. Okay,
Yes, sir.
as simple as that. Now we want to do y equal to 2x plus 3. So let me show you how easy is this. Y equal to 2x plus 3 na. Y
Yes,
is
sir.
y the value of y is increasing. Basic common sense we have to apply while being careful in drawing the functions graph. Sometimes students do what they mistakenly do the thing inside in the x-axis what they need to do in the y-axis. Okay, but
Okay, sir.
we have to take care of that we maintain that care, so that we don't mix up x and y. So try putting x equal to 0 once. When you put x equal to 0 here, what you get? Y equal
Y
to 3. So
3.
you have to raise this line, the same line you were having here. So this will be point 3, and this same line is,
Yes, sir.
let me show you, this same line has been brought here. Okay,
Okay, sir.
got it?
Yes, sir.
Now a few more functions we have. Y is equal to 1 by x. This is a reciprocal function. These are the functions everyone must know the graphs of them.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
then y is equal to 1 upon mod x. What will we have? Y equal to 1 upon mod x. Y equal to 1 upon x square. Y equal to 1 upon x power 4. All graphs will look like this only the values will change. Okay, thus the
Yes.
steepness of the graph will change, nothing else will. In the same manner, y equal to 1 upon x cube, y equal to 1 upon x power 5, that means odd power of 1 by x, the graphs, all those graphs will look like this. Okay,
Okay.
similarly y equal to x square, so y equal to x power 4, y equal to x power 6, etc. All graphs will look like this. Y equal to x cube, so y equal to x power 5, y equal to x power 7, etc. All graphs will look like this, only y equal to x is the exception. This is the identity function. This is the identity function. Okay, first one is the identity function. This is, this was cubic function but applicable for this also. This was square
Okay,
function
sir.
but applicable for this and this also. This is y equal to 2x. This is y equal to 2x plus 3. Okay. This is y equal to 1 by x. This is y equal to 1 by x square, 1 by x power 4.
When?
Can you repeat? I didn't listen.
Sir?
Did you say something?
No, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. So look at the nature of this. This is x square, this is x power 4. That's why 1 by mod x is also following this. Okay, got my
Yeah,
point?
okay, sir.
uh,
Yes.
Similarly, if you try to do see, this was y equal to x cube. Okay, y
Yes.
equal to x cube. Let me draw it again. Okay, and y equal to x square, if I draw on the same graph. Okay, y equal to x square. So
Sir.
yeah,
Continue.
okay, okay. This was the nature of y equal to x square. Only the steepness, sharpness is increased or decreased. Okay, so if we put mod over here, y equal to mod x cube. Basically, two things are the same things: mod x cube or mod of overall x cube. These two are the same things. It doesn't happen everywhere with every function, but you can see if you cube this, you will get this only in this particular example, right?
Yes.
So if you transform the graph, if you try to transform the graph, what you will get, because the nature of the function will change and it will behave like this was y equal to, it will behave like, it must behave like x square, y equal to x power 4 etc. That is obvious and understandable, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So far we have dealt with some basic functions. Now I will take you through the transformations. Now let's say y equal to 2x plus 3. This is what we are having. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. This is 3. Now you want to apply mod over this. Okay. Now you want to apply mod over this. What will happen? There is one case. Y equal to 2 mod x plus 3. Another case is y equal to overall 2x plus 3 modulus. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
we need to see what exactly happens. So here if you put 0, you get 3. If you put 1, you get 5. If you put 0, you get 3. If you put 1, you get 5. Now only x has been we have applied mod only on x. Okay, so in this case, if we put -1, it will behave like 1.
Yes, sir.
If we put -2, it will behave like 2. So whatever was happening on this side, because this was -1, this was 1, this was 2, this was 3, this was 4. So whatever was happening on this side, the same thing will happen on this side.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so see, you can write it as a point. In fact, I will tell you when you should write. This side of the function will be unaltered because these values of x are already positive. These values of x are already positive, so applying mod will not make any change. Okay, but
Yes, sir.
this side, the values were negative, applying mod made them positive and they will behave like this. So this will be the graph of y is equal to 2 mod x plus 3. So case 1 only, yeah, modulus only over x, modulus only over x. What happens? Right side of the graph is retained. right side of y-axis is unaltered. Left side is wiped off. Okay, and mirror image of right side is drawn on the left side. Okay, so note down
Yes.
this. If you are using this on your PC, you can also take photo of this from your phone. I don't know.
Done, sir.
Okay, fantastic. Now y is equal to x. We must not forget y equal to x. Y equal to 2x. Y equal to 2x. Then y equal to 2x plus 3.
It's 3.
So this will be like y minus 3 is equal to 2x. So when we subtract some number from y, it
Oh,
increases in the y-axis. So we subtracted 3 from y, it increased in the y-axis. So from origin we moved forward to 3. Okay,
yes,
and
sir.
let me copy paste it. Control C, Control V. Okay, just a minute. Yeah. Okay, now if we do instead y is equal to 2 x minus 3 plus 3. Okay, what will happen?
Yes.
Or let's say let us not do it very quickly. Y equal to 2x we were having here. We were having y equal to 2x. So if we do y equal to 2 x minus 3. So if we subtracted 3 from x, we subtracted 3 directly from x, right?
Yes, sir.
So this same graph will move 3 steps forward. If we subtract, it will move forward. Just like we subtracted here from y, it moved upwards. Okay, so if
Yes,
we are
sir.
subtracting here, it will move forward. So let me show you. It will move here. Okay, and let me
Okay.
copy paste this. And we will remove this line. We will remove this. Okay, so this is our y equal to 2 times x minus 3. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now if we do uh, y equal to 2 x minus 3 plus 3, it will move upwards.
Upward.
Okay, 3 steps, because
Okay.
it is actually y minus 3, or you can see it this way, that whatever we were having, we are adding 3 to that, and LHS side is y, so y will increase by 3 overall. Everywhere y will increase by 3. So it is 3. Let's say here we put a dotted line, so it is 3. So we have to move this thing here. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so just a minute. I am Copying is okay. Okay, so this is 3 and this is 3. So this is what? Y is equal to 2 times x minus 3 plus 3. Okay, so it is
Yes, sir.
basically y is equal to 2x minus 3. Okay, y is equal to 2x minus 6 plus 3. So it is 2x minus 3, right? Okay, that means we know this point. We know this point. We know this point. How? If this same graph is y equal to 2x minus 3, we were having y equal to 2x here.
Yes, sir.
What would have happened to this? This would have dropped down by
Downwards.
3 units. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
we know this point, that this intersection point is 3. So you are getting the transformations.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we come back to our previous discussion. The first one was when we apply mod only over
X.
x. If we apply mod over this function, what will happen? So let me copy it first. Okay. So due to the error of scale, we are having this. You would be feeling that if this is 3, how can this be 3? No, this is not 3. Actually, this is minus 3, na? This is
Yes, sir.
minus. Okay. Sorry. But still, you would be feeling that this is only this distance and this distance is more. But this is the freehand drawing. Sorry, this is not to scale. That's why this is happening. Okay. We were
Yes.
having this
2x minus 3.
y is equal to, we can write this way, or we can write this way also, 2x minus 3. Now we want to do what? We want to do this.
Mod.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Overall mod. This is one case, or we can do one more thing. Only over x, mod only over x. We are aware with this one. We have studied this one right now. So let's do this at first. What we will do, we will wipe this side off. Okay, right
Yes,
side
sir.
is unaltered. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so only mod only over x. I think you have got this. Any function if I give you, you can do that, right?
Yes, sir.
Let us try this once. We will do a few things. Y equal to 1 by x, we are having y equal to 1 by x. Okay, now y is equal to 1 by x plus 2. Had you not attended this session, you would find it almost impossible to draw the graph of this function, right?
Yes, sir.
But now it is very easy to do. You have added something directly to x, so you will go backwards. If you would have subtracted, you will go forward. If you
Forward.
added, you will go
Add.
backwards. So 2 steps back. So this is -1, this is -2. Now this will act like our y-axis, and now our entire graph will shift. Okay. Now what we will do, clear?
Yes, sir.
Now if we do y is equal to mod of, sorry, 1 by mod of x plus 2, what will happen? So let me show you what will happen. This will be wiped off. This entire left thing will be wiped off, and this will be, just a minute, uh, this will be like this only. Okay, right side will be retained, right side will be retained, left side will be wiped off,
Yes.
and mirror image of right side will be
Mirror
drawn on
image.
the left side. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now I think you completely got this.
Uh, except that last one part, sir.
Last one part, we draw the mirror image
Model.
modulus.
Yes, sir. Modulus part.
This modulus, just a minute, just a minute, let me, okay, this modulus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me repeat. So far we are good.
Yes, sir.
Y equal to 1 by x plus 2. Okay, now we can do one more thing, but we will do that later. Okay, let me copy this so that we don't lose this. Okay, now I told you back there that if we apply mod only over x in any function, what are the steps we have to follow? Right side of the x is unaltered. Okay,
Not.
right side of the y-axis is unaltered. Now left side is wiped off, and mirror image of right side is drawn on the left side. We will
Left,
follow
sir.
these 3 steps. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so this part will be unaltered,
Yes, sir.
this entire part will be wiped off,
Wiped off
and this mirror image will be formed.
on the other side.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now it is completely clear.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Okay, fantastic. Graphs are the most interesting uh, topic, and very easy also. So this is our graph of y is equal to mod of x plus 2. Oh, sorry, 1
Plus
by
2.
mod of x plus 2. We can do one more thing here. Uh, Just a minute. Stroke eraser. Yeah. Minus. Just a minute. Why can't I select this? Minus. It's not getting selected. Let me close it. I'm opening it again. 1 by x plus 2 minus 2. Y is equal to 1 by x plus 2 minus 2. We can
Plus
do
minus
this or we can do this plus 2. Yeah, this one is better. Let me show you what will happen. Uh,
y minus
you can do it like this also. You can do it
yes
like
sir.
this also. So you will obviously
Will
move in the upward
up
direction,
upward direction.
or you can do this way also. So y is increased by 2 points overall. So anyway, this way or that way you will move upwards.
Yes sir.
Okay. So what we will do, this thing will come here and this thing will come here. Okay.
Yes sir.
Now, now, if we are given with this, what we will do? We could do it directly from here also. We could do this same thing directly from here also. Why we need to wipe this off and then take the mirror image? We will get the same thing ultimately, right? Two steps
Yes
upward
sir.
moved, this one but thing. So we have to choose our way, in which way we should move. Okay, so
Yes
let
sir.
us leave it like this only. We will use this later. Now we have to use the second type of, we have to do the second type of modulus. Modulus applied over the entire function. Case 2. Case
Yes
2.
sir.
Case 2. Mod over
Okay.
modulus over entire fx. Okay. What will we do? Any part above x-axis will be unaltered, will be unaltered. Okay,
Yes sir.
any part, sorry, any part below x-axis will be wiped off, but before that we will make mirror image of that part above the axis, above the axis. Okay, so see, this was our y equal to 2x plus 3.
Yes sir.
So if we want to make y is equal to mod of 2x plus 3, mod over the
Mod
entire
x
function.
plus 3.
Okay, mod over the entire function, what we will do,
Now enter x.
uh, just a minute, uh, this is small eraser, this we will erase this part, but before that we need to do this.
Mirror.
Okay.
Yes.
mm, mm. And now we will wipe this off. Any part above the x-axis is retained. Any part below the x-axis is removed, but
Wipe off.
before that we draw the mirror image. Okay.
Mirror image. Yes, sir.
Now, if we want to do this, just a minute. Y equal to 2 mod x plus 3. Y equal to 2 mod x plus 3. At first, this one is not wiped off. Y equal to 2 mod x plus 3. What we need to do, let me show you. At first, I'll copy this. This is my y equal to 2 mod x minus 3. I put mod again over the entire function. What I'll get? I'll get this. And this bottom part will be wiped off. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Completely? Because the upper part had to be retained, the bottom
Mirror
part
image.
had to be erased, and mirror image had to be formed. All steps are followed. No problem.
Yes, sir. No
Okay.
problems.
Okay. So oh, just a minute. So yeah, okay. Now what we can do, we can draw a few polynomial functions. Now we will do this. This one is actually very good. This one is actually very good. Now, okay. Draw pen. We apply mod over this entire function. What will happen? See what will happen carefully. You saw what I did?
Yes, sir. Retaining upper part.
And mirror image of the lower part. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This one. Let me draw a clear one. Yeah. Now what I'll do this.
Wipe.
Just a minute. Small eraser. Yeah. Now we will do a few things. See where we started from y equal to 1 by x.
Sir.
And we have come this far. Now, if we apply a minus only over x, only over x, what does the common sense say? What does the common sense say? That 1 will behave like minus 1 now, and minus 1 will behave like 1 now. So the left side of the graph will behave like right side of the graph, and right side will behave like left. Okay.
Left side. Yes, sir.
So this is 1, this is 2. We will draw a dotted line here. We will draw just a minute. It will cross from here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Now, okay, and this previous one will be wiped off. Mm, this previous one will be wiped off. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Did we do it correctly? We wiped the new one.